Welcome to Garage Heads, your go-to place for the latest motorcycle reviews, specs, and features. Today, we're diving into the stunning 2025 Ducati Panigale 1299, one of the most anticipated bikes of the year. The Ducati Panigale 1299 remains a masterpiece of Italian engineering, offering a perfect blend of performance, design, and technology. For 2025, Ducati has taken things a notch higher, building upon the already iconic Panigale platform. The bike continues to feature the legendary 1285cc L-twin engine, but it now produces even more horsepower and torque, making it an absolute beast on the road. Expect to see around 210 horsepower, with torque peaking in the mid-range, offering superb throttle response and acceleration that will thrill any rider. One of the standout features of the 2025 Panigale 1299 is its chassis. Ducati has kept the famous monocoque frame, which is not only lightweight but incredibly stiff, providing exceptional handling and stability in all riding conditions. The bike feels incredibly agile, yet the ride is stable at high speeds, making it perfect for both track days and winding mountain roads. As for suspension, the Panigale 1299 features an upgraded Unveiling SmartTech 2.0 system. This allows for fully electronic suspension adjustments, giving the rider complete control over the bike's ride quality and performance. Whether you're carving through tight corners or cruising on the highway, the suspension adapts to your riding style, providing an optimal balance of comfort and control. The bike's braking system is another area where Ducati excels. The Panigale 1299 comes equipped with top-of-the-line Brembo M50 calipers, which offer exceptional stopping power. With a dual-disc setup at the front and a single disc at the rear, you can trust the bike to bring you to a safe and controlled stop, even at high speeds. In terms of electronics, the 2025 model doesn't disappoint. It features a comprehensive suite of rider aids, including traction control, wheelie control, launch control, and multiple riding modes. The Ducati Quick Shift (DQS) system allows for seamless gear shifts, ensuring that your power delivery is always smooth and efficient. The design of the 2025 Ducati Panigale 1299 is as aggressive and striking as ever. The aerodynamic fairings, sharp lines, and bold red and black color schemes make it one of the most visually appealing motorcycles on the market. The bike is also equipped with a full-color TFT display, which is easy to read and packed with useful information for the rider. If you're a Ducati enthusiast or simply a fan of high-performance motorcycles, the 2025 Panigale 1299 is a machine worth considering. With its unmatched performance, sophisticated electronics, and timeless design, it continues to set the standard for superbikes. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more detailed reviews, specs, and features on the latest motorcycles. Thanks for watching.